In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image change when you hover over it in Wix Studio. This is a great way to make your website feel more interactive. For example, you might want an image to fade to another version when someone moves their mouse over it, or show a different product angle. I'll walk you through the exact settings you need inside the Wix Studio editor. First, make sure you're in the Wix Studio editor with the image already added to your canvas. Click to select the image you want to animate. Once it's selected, look to the right side of your screen for the panel sometimes called the inspector. At the top of that panel, you'll see a small arrow icon. Click on that inspector arrow to expand the full set of options if it isn't already open. This gives you access to the more advanced controls for the element. With the inspector open, look for a lightning bolt icon. This icon is usually associated with interactions or effects. Click on the lightning icon to open the interaction settings for your image. This is where you tell Wix what should happen when a visitor hovers, clicks, or otherwise interacts with that element. Inside that interactions panel, find and select the option labeled hover. Hover is the state that's triggered when a visitor moves their mouse over the image, so anything you set here will only show while the mouse is on top of it. Make sure you're actually in the hover section, not the default state, before you keep going. Now you'll see options to add a new interaction or effect for the hover state. Click on Add. This will open a list of available effects you can apply to your image. These often include different animation styles and transitions. From the list of effects, choose Fade. The fade effect is a smooth way to transition the image when a user hovers over it. Depending on your editor settings, this may let you fade between two images or adjust how strongly the image changes on hover. If you have the option, you can tweak things like duration and intensity so the fade feels natural and not too abrupt. Once you've set the fade effect the way you like, it's important to test it. Click on Preview at the top of the editor. In preview mode, move your mouse over the image and check that it fades exactly